Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Wednesday, August 5th. Seeing a very beautiful morning out there with mostly sunny skies and calm winds. We did see about a third of an inch of rain yesterday with Tropical Storm Isaias. Also saw some very strong gusty winds. The max wind gust was 68 miles per hour at Wallops. We also saw several tornadoes across the Delmarva, the closest to Wallops being just north of the main base, touching down in Stockton, Maryland, and then moving north across Route 113. So very active weather day yesterday. I know there was a couple areas across Wallops Island and the main base where there was some minor damage as well. But going to be returning to a more normal weather pattern for early August with some fairly seasonable temperatures as well as some daily chances for showers and thunderstorms. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, there's what used to be Tropical Storm Isaias all the way up there across Canada now, just north of Maine. It's transitioned to an extratropical cyclone. And we do have this weak front in its wake, and that could give us enough dynamics to spark off an isolated shower or thunderstorm this afternoon. Chances are looking very slight, but we are going to be getting another weak impulse moving up the Delmarva later tonight, which will give us some showers and thunderstorms late tonight and an increased chance of showers and thunderstorms as we go on through the next couple of days, as we'll have some continued dynamics due to upper level trough just to the west of the region, and as well as some continued moist boundary layer conditions across the mid-Atlantic coast. Taking a look at our satellite this morning, just have a few clouds around 2,500 feet or so across the central Delmarva, with as well as some cirrus and a little bit of cloudiness near 10,000 feet, and that 10,000 feet cloudiness appears to be dissipating. And we are, like I said, could be seeing a slight chance of an isolated pop-up shower or thunderstorm, but that won't be until around 2 p.m. or later this afternoon. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, basically seeing southwesterly winds pretty much across the entire column. Winds at the surface are fairly light and variable. Seeing those winds running around 10 to 15 knots from the southwest or west-southwest from 1,000 feet up through 6,000 feet, increasing to 20 knots from the 9 to 12,000 foot levels, and then seeing them 30 knots from the southwest at 16,000 feet up to 45 knots up to 25,000 foot level. Seeing still a very high freezing level this morning, just above 15,500 feet. So taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be looking at a high of 88 degrees early this afternoon, and then we'll see those southerly winds shift. Those winds shift out of the south rather, and that'll help to knock the temperature down. Currently, like I said, seeing just some light variable winds out there. That'll be continued throughout the morning hours, then early this afternoon, shifting southwesterly at 5 to 10 knots, becoming southerly at 5 to 10 knots for the mid and late afternoon hours. We'll then see those winds become fairly light and variable once again after midnight, and then shifting southwesterly at 5 to 10 knots by mid-morning Thursday, with a low tomorrow morning of 73 expected. Only looking at around a 20% chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm after about 2 p.m. this afternoon. And then after midnight, it looks like we'll get an additional wave of energy moving north across the region. That could spark off some additional shower and thunderstorm activity. And it looks like we'll have then increased shower and thunderstorm chances for tomorrow as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, currently seeing just a few clouds at 2,500 feet, few at 10,000, scattered at 25,000. I continue to see some cloudiness between 2,500 and 4,000 feet towards this afternoon, as well as some broken cirrus clouds. Could see a little bit of cloudiness as well around the 8,000 foot level. As we go into later, that'll be the case throughout much of the day today, unless we get into any showers or thunderstorms. We could see those ceilings drop down to around 2,000 to 3,000 feet or so, but that's not looking terribly likely at this time. Tonight, we're going to see some low clouds develop between 500 and 1,000 feet. Ceilings drop down to 2,000 feet, and possibly seeing those ceilings as low as 500 feet if we get into any shower or thunderstorm activity towards the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow. Let's take a quick look at some model charts this morning. This is our short-term weather model. We're looking at 2 p.m. here, And we are going to be seeing those chances for some showers and thunderstorms to develop during that time frame. It does look like after 2 p.m. is our best chance. And then we'll see those showers and thunderstorm chances continue through about 8 p.m. And these storms should die off when we lose our daytime heating before we get another wave moving north across the region late tonight. This is 6 a.m. and we could start to see some additional showers and storms develop across the southern Delmarva during that period and throughout the mid-morning hours of tomorrow. We could also continue to see them throughout the day tomorrow as well. Let's take a quick look at our long-range forecast. This is 2 p.m. and going into tonight, we'll see those chances of showers and thunderstorms increase across the Delmarva. This is looking at 5 a.m. So anytime after midnight, we'll see those chances start to increase through the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow. Then as we go into tomorrow, we're going to get some dynamics moving over the area and see those moisture values increase a bit as well. So we're going to get some pretty good chances, around 50 to 60%, to see some scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the entire day tomorrow and possibly into Thursday night as well, as we get this weak disturbance settled across the region. As moving to Friday, we'll continue to see some showers and thunderstorm chances. Looks like this will be a little bit more of a diurnal with the daytime heating, but could start up as early as the late morning on Friday, continuing throughout the day, possibly lingering into Friday night as well. Then Saturday can still continuing to see a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm, but things will finally start to dry out a bit, seeing that atmosphere a bit drier, so that'll knock down those shower and thunderstorm chances. And then Sunday, as we go into the extended period, looks to be the best chance for us to see a perfectly dry day across the Delmarva, as we'll have some upper level ridging briefly move over the area between these two areas of troughs that are giving us these shower and thunderstorms in our extended outlook. As we go into Monday, we'll see another shortwave trough develop just to the west of the area, and that's going to give us another chance for some showers and thunderstorms, as we'll see moisture increase as well. And continue to see those chances as we go into Tuesday next week. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, 20% chance of an isolated pop-up shower or thunderstorm this afternoon with a high of around 87. As we go into tomorrow, we're going to be looking at higher chances of showers and storms, around 60%. Those chances do look like they'll be throughout the day. Anytime we could see a shower or thunderstorm. And that could extend into Thursday night as well. Friday, seeing a morning low of 72, high of 86, 40% chance of scattered showers and storms. Saturday and Sunday will be warmer, close to 90 degrees, as we'll see things dry out a bit and a little less cloud cover. Saturday, still looking like a chance of an isolated storm, 20% chance. Sunday, though, it's going to be partly cloudy, hot, maybe just a little bit humid out there, but I do think the atmosphere will be a little bit drier. But still going to be carrying just a very, very slight chance of an isolated shower popping up in the afternoon, which is typical for this time of year. Monday, we'll get another trough starting to set up just to the west of the region, also seeing moisture increase again across the area. We'll still see those temperatures pretty warm, I think, because we're going to have a pretty good southwesterly flow, and that's going to give us about a 30% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms once again for Monday afternoon and into Tuesday. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.